Hello everybody, welcome back to TechCube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to record WhatsApp calls. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on the WhatsApp application. And as you can see in the WhatsApp settings, there is no any particular settings that will record your calls in WhatsApp. So what you gotta do is go on your Play Store application and download the recording app. It can be any recording app. For instance, I'm choosing this recording app here. It is already installed in my device. Now open the application and set the recording. Once it's done, go back to your WhatsApp and for instance, I'm calling this particular person, and as you can see, whatever conversations we are having, it is all been recording there. So that's all guys, this is how easily you can record calls in WhatsApp. I hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.